Good morning, it's Wednesday, February the 11th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts, so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. As always, I've got a great show lined up for you this morning. I've got 3 great press releases, 3 halts to report on the second segment of our show. 2 of the press releases are from the Canadian side, 1's from the U.S. And without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story, and it's a big press release. Sharpen your pencils, take some notes. It comes out of a company called Colossus Minerals. They trade on the big board on the TSX under the symbol CSI. The company is announcing results for their first systematic assaying of the drill core from the Serra Pelada project, which is located in Pará State, Brazil. The company has announced that systematic sampling and assaying of drill core from the central mineralized zone at Serra Pelada has yielded platinum up to 299 grams per ton, palladium up to 387 grams per ton, rhodium up to 7.7 grams per ton, and iridium up to 5 grams per ton, and these grades are among the highest on record. Now, high-grade PGE gold intervals were found in hole number 72, which returned 7.9 meters of 406 grams per ton of gold, 98 grams per ton of platinum, 115 grams per ton of palladium, 2.8 grams per ton of rhodium, 1.5 grams per ton of iridium, 0.2 grams per ton of ruthenium, never heard of it, and 0.03 grams per ton of osmium. I'm sure they're important elements, but I've never heard of them. Nonetheless, those initial ones that I talked about, gold, platinum, palladium, rhodium, and iridium, big numbers coming out of Colossus. Now, some fun facts. After trading as high as $10,000 per ounce in 2008, rhodium is presently trading at approximately $1,300 per ounce. However, they've established new highs. They could easily move back there once the bull metal market returns, which I believe it will. Now, another fun fact, the second densest element and is the most corrosion-resistant metal, I'm talking about iridium right now, okay, let me start all over. The second densest element and is the most corrosion-resistant metal, I'm talking about iridium, and that's even at temperatures as high as 2,000 degrees Celsius. If you were to ask me the densest metal, I couldn't tell you, but my wife would probably say it's me. Now, iridium currently trades at approximately $425 per ounce. A little bit about Colossus. They're an exploration and development company focused on mineral resource properties in Brazil. They're last at $1.60, 52-week range, high of $4, low of 43 cents, and the market cap that currently stands at approximately $68 million. Moving on to New Millennium Capital Corp. They trade on the venture under the symbol NML. They announced today the results of the mineral resource estimate from 2008 drilling of its 100% owned DSO project located near Schefferville, Quebec. This demonstrates approximately 56 million tons of measured and indicated mineral resource at an average grade of 59% iron on a dry basis, plus an additional 5.8 million tons of inferred mineral resources. A little bit about the company. They're an emerging New Millennium controls the emerging Millennium Iron Range, which holds a large undeveloped iron ore deposit in the province of Newfoundland, Labrador, and in the province of Quebec. Last at 40 cents, high of 244, low of 14, market cap of 52 cents. Moving over to the U.S. side, I've got a company called MDU Communications International. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol MDTV. The company is reporting record earnings per share, so I've got some metrics for you. First quarter revenues up 26% over the same period in the prior year to $6.6 million. First quarter net income is $4.2 million, and this is on revenues of $6.6 million, so very impressive, which results in earnings per share of 8 cents. And the gain on sale of video subscribers reduces the outstanding credit facility, so it looks like they're hammering down their debt. And operating expenses have declined by 22%. So it looks like MDU has definitely turned the corner. A little bit about the company. They're a leading provider of premium communication information services, including digital satellite television, high-speed broadband internet services, and this is exclusively the United States multi-dwelling unit marketplace. And they're estimated to include 26 million residents. So great numbers coming out of MDU. They're last at 22 cents. 52-week high of 58 cents, 52-week low of 10 cents, and the market cap of approximately $12 million. Now, moving over to the halts, I've got 3 to report. First one, Brooklyn Ventures Corp. Trades on the venture under the symbol BVC. They're halted pending news. Vendtek Systems on the venture under the symbol VSI. Halted pending news. And finally, Victoria Gold Corp. On the venture under the symbol VIT. Halted pending news. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Please make sure to tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.